Let us see the next question. Gale Plus Incorporation has been invited to purchase and operate new telecommunication center in Republic of Perendia. Purchase price is 2000 million rupees. The center would be sold back to the Peruvian government for an agreed price of 4000 million rupees after 3 years. Gate Plus would supply 3 years technical expertise and training for the local staff for 3 years at an annual fees of 40 million rupees. Gale Plus bankers have suggested using currency swap. Highlight the portion currency swap for the purchase price of the factory with the swap of the principal immediately and in 3 years time. Both swap at today's spot rate. Bank would charge a fees of 0.25 per year in sterling. In sterling means pound for arranging the swap. Spot rate is given. Spot exchange rate expected to be after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years. Assuming the swap, that is interchange, takes place as described. Provide a reasoned analysis as to whether the Gale Plus should accept the invitation or not. The relevant risk adjusted discounting rate is 15%, ignoring that is income tax. So I am doing answer. I request you to write answer along with me. Working note number 1, calculation of investment in pound currency term. Rupees and pound. Spot exchange rate is 85.4 rupees per pound. So over here 2000 million rupees, that is the investment, is equal to this amount of pound, that is 23.4192 million pound. Okay, so now year 0, year 1, year 2, year 3. Income in rupees term. At the end of the first year it is 40. At the end of the second year it is again 40. At the end of the third year it is 40 plus 4000. However, in swap you have to pay 2000. So remaining 2000 is transferred. So it is 2040. Exchange rate rupees per pound. So it is 93.94. It is 103.334. 113.67. So cash flow in pound currency 40 upon 93.94. So it is 0.4285. Sorry, 58. 40 upon 103.334. So 0.3871. Then 2040 upon 113.67 plus, see the initial investment I'd say we would have made is 23.4192, and last year that amount we will receive back. So 2040 upon 113.67, that comes to 17.9467 plus 23.4192. So it is 41.3659. Then further information is given to us that there is a swap charges. It is 0.25% per year in pound currency to be paid. So over here swap charges, it is 23.4192 into 0.25 percentage. So it comes to 0.0585. 0.0585. 0.0585. That is the swap charges. So it is 23.4192 into 0.25 percentage. Okay. Now based on this, we'll compute the net cash flow series. Year 0, 1, 2, 3. Year 0, this is the amount that you pay to that government or to the bank of that country, Peridea. You receive 2000 million rupees which you invest in the business. That is 23.4192. That is the new that is the telecommunication center, say which you say like establish. They pay fees to you which you convert in your currency, that is in pound currency, and you receive 0.4258. However, you have to pay 0.0585 swap charges. So you receive net amount 0.3673. Second year, 3871 minus 0.0585. So 0.3286. In the third year, you receive total 4000. Out of that, say 2000 is paid, and against that you will receive 23 point the amount of the initial investment. You can see that the language of the question says very clearly that Gale Plus bankers have suggested using the currency swap for the purchase price of the factory, that is 2000 million rupees, with the swap of the principal immediately and in 3 years time. Both swap at today's spot exchange rate, that is 85.40. So you will receive, say, this amount under the swap arrangement, 23.4192, plus the excess amount which you are going to receive, plus the whatever the services that you pay. For that, say this amount is going to be received in rupee currency, which will be converted into domestic currency using this exchange rate. So this is the amount that you receive on conversion. This is the amount that you receive, say, on, that is, say, the due to the swap agreement. 41.3659 minus 0.0585. So 41.3074. Now discounting at the rate of 15%. So 8696, 7561, 6575. Present value 23.4192, 3673 into 0.8696. So 0.3194. 3286 into 0.7561. So 0.2485. 41.3074 into 0.6575. 27.1596. NPV is 4.3083. NPV is positive, so you should accept the project.